Hi, I'm Jackie Potdevin with Barrett Sotheby's International Realty.
I'm Trisha Perez Kennealy, and I'm the owner of the Inn at Hastings Park here in Lexington, Massachusetts.
I'm here today because the Inn embodies the spirit of Lexington with its history and its charm. It's a mix of all these great things. Trisha, what is the story behind the Inn?
The story behind the Inn is that I moved here when I was 12, and I was always in love with the history of the town. And as I grew older, I really thought that it was strange that we didn't have an inn to welcome guests who were coming from around the country and around the world. And this property became available in 2010, and my husband Mike and I were lucky enough to be able to buy it and develop the property and turn it into the inn it is today.
One of the things I've noticed when I come in is that everybody is so warm and welcoming. Is that what makes the Inn unique?
I think so. What we really were trying to do was showcase what American hospitality is all about, being very open and very friendly. We really have tried to be respectful of the architecture and the period of time that the houses were built. The houses were built in the 1800s, but we really wanted to do it with a lot of color and a lot of style, a lot of panache, and I think that we've done that.
What is it like staying at the Inn? What are the rooms like?
Our rooms are pretty special. We have 22 guest rooms here at the Inn, and each of them is unique. We really tried to focus on American craftsmanship, so throughout our rooms, we have products that were made in Maine, Vermont, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island. So many of our guests ask where we purchase certain things because they want to bring some of those elements home.
Do tell, what is the best thing to have on the menu?
You really should ask what the chef is working on at that given moment. Our chef is extremely creative. Stacy really likes to work with local farmers and showcase the best of what's available at any given time of the year.
And you have those special dinners on occasion. What is that, quarterly?
So during the summer, we do farm dinners. We work with local farms. We usually work with Wilson Farm here in Lexington 2-1, and chef designs the menu completely around what they have available. It's lots of fun. It also gives chef an opportunity to try some different things on the menu and showcase her creativity.
You learn a lot too about food and wine and a lot about the Inn and the history.
No, I think that that's really important. Obviously, I was trying to pay tribute to the local history, but I also was trying to pay tribute to American culinary history.
So describe for people thinking of moving to Lexington, what makes this community unique?
Passion is something that really sets Lexington apart. We have an incredible school system. We have incredible resources throughout the town. It's a really diverse community that takes a lot of pride in being engaged, that I think it really makes for a vibrant community.
Thanks so much for letting me come here today and joining me for the Close-Up series. Feel free to check us out on social media and come and visit the Inn when you're in Lexington. Thank you so much, Trisha.
Thanks, Jackie.
Great to be here.